In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an ePortfolio link in Canvas. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose the right sharing option for your situation, and how to copy a link you can send to your instructor or anyone else who needs access. First, log into Canvas through your institution's usual sign-in page. Use the same account you use for your courses so your portfolio and permissions line up correctly. A desktop browser is ideal here because you'll see all the navigation items and settings clearly, but the process is similar on most devices. Once you're in Canvas, go to your online portfolio. Depending on how your school labels it, you might see it called Online Portfolio or ePortfolio in the global navigation or under your account area. Open that section to view your portfolio home. If you have multiple portfolios, make sure you're looking at the one you want to share. Inside your portfolio, look for the settings option, often shown as a small gear icon or a button that simply says Share. Both lead you to the same place, the controls that determine who can see your portfolio. If you don't immediately spot them, check the top right of the page or the sidebar, as that's where these controls commonly appear. Now choose how you want to share. If you only want specific people, like your instructors, to view your work, select the option to share with specific people. This keeps your portfolio private to the individuals you designate and is usually the safest choice for coursework. If your institution allows it and your assignment calls for broader visibility, you can choose to make the portfolio public. Public access means anyone with the link can view it, so use this option only when you're comfortable sharing your work more widely. After selecting your sharing preference, copy the share link that appears. Canvas will usually generate a unique URL that reflects your chosen visibility. When you copy it, double-check that it's the link associated with your current settings. A quick tip: if time permits, paste the link into a different browser or a private window to confirm it opens the portfolio the way you expect. That's all there is to it. Log into Canvas, open your online portfolio, use settings or share to pick the right visibility, and copy the share link. Keep that link handy for submitting assignments, sending to instructors, or including in course communications as required. Thanks for watching, and good luck sharing your ePortfolio with confidence.